Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products in the market. Today, we're excited to talk about the best rose gold chair cover, the WELMATCH Rose Gold Stretch Spandex Chair Covers. Whether you're preparing for a wedding, a banquet, or any kind of special event, these chair covers will elevate your decor and give your event a premium look. Made from a durable blend of 90% polyester and 10% spandex, these chair covers provide excellent stretch, ensuring they fit most dining room chairs, banquet chairs, folding chairs, and even stacking chairs. The material is not only stretchy but also strong, providing a secure and snug fit, and the elastic feet pocket ensures that the covers stay in place throughout your event. These chair covers come in a pack of 12, perfect for larger events, and the rich rose gold color will add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any venue. Whether you're hosting a wedding reception, anniversary celebration, or a corporate event, these chair covers are sure to impress your guests. One of the standout features of these covers is their ease of maintenance. They're machine washable, and you can also hand wash or dry clean them. There's no need for ironing, and they dry quickly on a low temperature, so they're ready to use again and again. This makes them not only stylish but also highly practical for those who plan events on a regular basis. The universal design means that they can be used for a variety of chair types, and the stretchy fabric ensures that they stay secure and don't slip or bunch up. This is especially important during long events, where you want to make sure the chairs remain looking pristine throughout the day. In addition to their functionality, the WELMATCH Rose Gold Stretch Spandex chair covers are a cost-effective way to give your venue an elegant makeover. They are affordable while still offering premium quality, making them a great choice for anyone who wants to add a touch of class without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a way to transform your event space and create a memorable atmosphere, these chair covers are the perfect addition. The rose gold color pairs beautifully with a wide range of other decor elements, from flowers to tablecloths. And it's versatile enough to match various themes, whether you're going for a luxurious vibe or a more modern aesthetic. So, if you want to make your next event shine with elegance and style, the WELMATCH Rose Gold Stretch Spandex chair covers are the perfect choice. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Be sure to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations to help you find the best items for your events.